welcome back. I'm my little sister here.
Hi, I'm Mia.
And today we're going to be making some slime. So here's the Elmer's glue. This is the basic glue. I recommend using it because it's the best glue. Borax. Borax is really harmful for kids, and be sure for parents' supervision while you're making slime. So for ingredients, you'll be needing glue, food coloring. Food coloring is optional. Shaving foam, and activator. Activator, you'll be needing 1 teaspoon of borax and hot water, and mix it until the borax is dissolved in the water. Now let's get started. First, you'll be adding your glue. Wow. Can you hold this?
Wait, this looks like peanut butter. Too much glue.
That's it.
Yay.
And then you'll be adding your food coloring. Food coloring, please. Blue. Thank you.
Wow.
Can you hold the spatula?
Sure.
Hold it up. Hold it up.
Hmm?
Not that up.
Are we here?
No, stop. How about 3 drops of food coloring? 1, 2, 3. Oops, 4. Now you mix it nicely.
Ooh, darker.
It's light. Do you know dark and light? Looks what I close this.
Oh, I want to look like this. Jelly.
Okay, that's it. Then add 2 puffs of shaving foam.
1, 2, jelly.
1, 2.
Ah! I'm sorry, there's a bee in the table.
Just mix it all together until it becomes kind of like blue as you want it. When it becomes like kind of like this kind of slimy, add 3 teaspoons of borax. Okay, we need to get this out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now mix it nicely. How about I do it?
No.
Okay. A little bit of mixing. That's it. Then we just knead it. Now we're just making it into a ball. Get off, it's sticky.
No,
it's okay. I can do it. Are you kidding me? Oh. Wow! This baby's stretchy. I was expecting stretchiness. Here's our first product right here. It was like a light purple slime. It was all the ingredients, and this is our first product. It is Pokey. Oh, I love it so much. And we made it, me and my sister. Here's our making product. Oh, it's not that ready yet.
My stomach is sticky too.
I think it's done.
Wait, what?
Look.
It's so beautiful.
Stretchiness happens. Oh my god! So stretchy.
Oh, my hand is sticky. I don't know how to get that off. It's almost so.
Here is the stretchiness of our end of our product. This is so fluffy.
So mine is really fluffy.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.